is a 2011 Toyota Prius. I had transmission fluid changed 2 days ago, and I haven't driven much. I must drove like half of a mile. I didn't hear anything strange, abnormal. The fluid change went very well. I put in 3.75 quarts, like I heard that it's supposed to take. And then when I was putting in about 3.75, it was kind of oozing out from the top fill plug hole. So I'm sure everything was good, and I drove around, and it's been a couple of days and I don't see any drippage on my garage floor or anything like that, so I'm sure that went fine. The fluid was kind of dirty, dark purple, so I was pretty happy that I changed it, because the new fluid was obviously very bright pink. So everything went well there, but I hear some weird noise when I lift the car, just the front, and try to turn the tire. Like, what is this noise? This noise seems to be coming from the transmission area. It's kind of hard to tell, but I wonder what this noise is. But as I start turning the wheel back and forth, that's when I hear this noise. I don't hear this when I drive. You know, I can put it in an EV mode so the engine does not come on. And when I drive like that, this should be loud enough for me to hear it. But when it's on the ground and driving, I do not hear this noise. Just when I lift it, I think I might not be close enough to hear it when I drive because I'm inside. But anyway, this noise just comes from the transmission or differential. But as I keep turning it, if I stop and start, and I don't hear it. I mean, it comes back. But if I just keep turning it, okay, I'm gonna side and keep turning it. So as I start turning, I feel a little resistance, and that's when the noise comes. And if I just let go and let it turn, that noise does not come back. It comes back when I try to turn it again. That's when this noise comes. So I'm trying to figure out what that source of the noise is, and I don't know if it's where it's coming from, what's causing it.